So what are we trying to do here? So we are trying to build, first of all, a DApp, which is called decentralized app in the Web3 space, and it's hosted on Ethereum blockchain. And this DApp is basically a smart contract which accepts donations in Ethers, which is Ethereum's crypto coin or cryptocurrency. And we are integrating this donations DApp, which is a crypto smart contract kind of combination with Salesforce communities. And our goal is to enable Salesforce communities and Experience Cloud to take crypto payments from anywhere in the world. And we want Salesforce web or front end to interact with our smart contract, which we have developed, is this DApp. So let's talk about the donation scenario. It is primarily targeted for nonprofits who want to take donations in cryptos. And we don't want to lock in our donors to any crypto exchange or depend on any crypto exchange. As a DApp typically works with your crypto wallet, the same will be the case here. Anybody with the MetaMask crypto wallet or similar installed on their browser, they can seamlessly use this Salesforce plus a smart contract to transact and donate from any part of the world. And again, it's a direct wallet to wallet transaction. We are not depending on any crypto exchange. And we also allow donors to keep their identity anonymous because in decentralized world, people like transparency. So our smart contract is on blockchain. Everything is visible. Every transaction is visible. And people don't typically like to reveal their identity. So there is an option people can sign up, but it's also possible to like use guest user profiles in Salesforce and keep the identity 100% anonymous. Lastly, we will give some reporting to the Salesforce admins so that they can track crypto donations to reports like summations, daily donations, and total donations, and all the things. And lastly, we also support a smart contract function which allows all the donations to be parked or moved safely into a admin wallet.
So this is the basic homepage of the site we have made. This is ideally an Experience Cloud powered website, you can see. And the theme we have used is also Experience Cloud powered. You can see the menu here. You can see our donation button here, and you can see how many ethers have been donated as of now. And it's just initial state. That's why we haven't kept many things over here. So let me make donation for you. Click on this button, and upon clicking that button, it will ask you to donate as a guest user, or if you want to donate as a logged in user, then you can uncheck this checkbox and then you can continue. But right now I'll donate as a guest user, so I'll keep this checkbox on and click on continue button, and it will ask me to connect my wallet. So for the wallet purpose, we are using MetaMask wallet here. We are using MetaMask because it's widely acceptable and most used wallet across the globe. So that's why we went for this. And also it's very simple to use MetaMask. So let me connect this wallet, and upon connecting, let me give my password. And as you can see, it has connected. So it's fetching my previous donations. If I have already donated previously, then it will fetch. As you can see, it fetched and it showed here. And it will show here my wallet balance and my wallet address as well. And here I can fill some basic details, like my name I can give, and what message I want to give. I can also do that. And how many ethers I want to donate, I can specify them here as well. So I'll fill these details quickly, and I'll keep this message as it is, and I'll give this much ethers. Also, if you don't want to give your name here, you can skip this part if you want, because you are donating as a guest user, then obviously you want to donate as a anonymous user, right? So you can skip this part as well. But for in my case, I'm giving the name here. And I'll click on the send button, and it will ask me to confirm from MetaMask. So I'll confirm the transaction. And it is transacting. Meanwhile, if you want to see the transaction more details about the transaction, then you can click on this button and you will be redirected to this page where you can have some more information about the transaction, like gas fees and all. Because we are using testnet here, that's why the gas fees is comparatively low. But has it been the real use case, then it would have been, a huge amount of gas fees. So after that, the transaction is successful, and you can see the message here you have got. And so this was the flow. And also, if you want to donate as a logged in user, then you will have to follow the same procedure. You have to connect your wallet and then fill your details, and then you will be asked to confirm, just like I did through MetaMask. And also, if you want to donate as a logged in user, then you will have access to some more functionalities. Then let me show those functionalities to you. So I'll click on this button. And this time I'll try to donate as a logged in user. So I'll uncheck this checkbox. So here you have multiple options to sign in. If you want to sign in via Facebook, Google, or Twitter, you can have options. Also, if you want to become a member of our community, then you can click on this button and not a member, and then you can give your details, and then you will be registered. So also the flow would be same of donating the just like I show you how you can donate as a guest user. So similar flow would be there. So this was it from my side.
This is the view which a Salesforce admin will see after they log into their Salesforce CRM. So we are hoping this is the admin who will manage the donations and everything. And this is a very specific dashboard for them. To the left is a list of recent donations. In the middle, there is a simple bar chart, which is showing the per day summary of all the donations which are there. On the right, 0.107 and the big is the total contract balance. So as we discussed before, like there is a smart contract developed, and the Ethereum smart contracts, they can hold donations in them. That's quite possible. So this is the contract on Etherscan, and it is having that kind of same balance, and the same is reflected in your Salesforce instance. Now, you must be noticing a button in right top called withdraw donations. So as this 0.0107 ethers are residing in the contract balance, Salesforce admin might want them to withdraw to their own wallet. So one small thing which I would like to highlight here is when we deploy the contract, we store the owner's address there, and only the withdrawal can be done to the owner's address. They can't withdraw to any other wallet for security reasons. And as of now, we are only permitting withdrawals to a single owner wallet. Later on, we can also add features to support withdrawals to VP or some directors only, which are authorized to receive the funds. So with me is Farhan, my colleague. Farhan, what is there next? How can we withdraw?
So now since we can only do the transaction in Visualforce page, so now I can click on this, withdraw the donation. It will ask me for my permission. After confirming, after a few minutes, my funds has been transferred. So here we are seeing the live data. So as of now, my contract balance is 0. So the total fund is transferred. Let me refresh this. So now the total fund is transferred, and it is transferred over here, as you can see.
The future of this whole POC around cryptos and communities will be to also issue an NFT. Like this typically is one-way transaction. As of now, you basically donate and you don't get a receipt. So our NFT, which will have a detail of donor amount, we are trying to generate a dynamic NFT on the chain. It's called on-chain NFT. So we will issue it as a receipt of appreciation along with the donation. That should be coming live in next few days. We are working on that, and the development is in progress. We are migrating to Polygon as well for lower gas fee, and we are also exploring some other sustainable and climate friendly blockchains which are not using proof of work. And Ethereum itself is moving to proof of stake soon, so we shouldn't be having much trouble, but we are still exploring and finding other better blockchains. So stay tuned and thank you.